All right. Hello, my name is Tyler Ford, and my presentation is titled Crypto, Its Relevance and Potential Dangers, and it is for MDS 492. Briefly, it is going to be over a brief introduction to what cryptocurrency is, and then really dive into what it is, why it is relevant, and what my actual presentation is about, which is scams present in crypto and how to avoid falling victim to scams if you are in or choose to get into crypto at some point. What I'm going to do, either better educate people coming into crypto or let them assume the risk and responsibility to educate themselves. How might I help to educate or inform people about crypto and the exciting opportunities and technologies while also remaining objective and informative to help keep people from potentially getting scammed? I think this is a relatively significant problem. The stealing and scamming of others is an issue even in regular fiat currency, but it is pretty big in crypto statistically. I think this problem needs to be addressed sooner rather than later, and any help to better educate and lower the numbers of victims will be beneficial to everyone, including the victims, but also the crypto community as a whole. I'm going to quickly overview and educate on what crypto is, address examples of big scams in crypto we will dive into deeper on, and provide a compilation of resources to assist those interested in crypto. The significance of crypto and the problem of scams. My project will be informative and help educate people about cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and opportunities, but also the included risks. The purpose would be due to the rising popularity of Bitcoin, which is undoubtedly causing more people to enter crypto, which has exciting opportunities, but also comes with varying degrees of inherent risk. My project will be research-based and help to inform and educate people on crypto and blockchain technology and the exciting projects and possibilities, while also helping to raise awareness of the risks associated with crypto assets and currencies and exciting projects and the prospects they could have for the future. Some of the opportunities in cryptocurrencies currently hold potential to be life-changing for people that could be considered still early adopters, but the purpose would be more in line with strictly education and raising awareness, since I am not a financial advisor and cannot give financial advice. The problems I look to solve with my research project is to help educate people, to help prevent them from potential scams that lurk in crypto, and to help educate people on the general risks so they can be informed if they decide to enter crypto due to the hype of Bitcoin currently due to soaring all-time highs. The problem affects the community because there are millions, if not billions of dollars taken from people in crypto due to scams, which could be prevented if people were just educated a little on the signs of popular scams in the community revolving around cryptocurrencies. It is a relatively significant problem, scamming in crypto that is. According to an online article from Reuters.com in 2019, approximately $4.52 billion was lost or stolen due to hackers or scammers, and I have not seen any numbers published yet for 2020. So clearly it is a significant amount, and is clearly a significant problem that if we could even simply educate or better warn people, it could help lower those numbers. How I intend to complete my project. What I have found out. I have found some of the specifics in regards to dollar amounts from online articles and have done some research on a website that covers information on crypto, but also you can research specific cryptos on their own websites, or they offer computer source code for review if it is an open source project. They also provide something called the white paper, which is pretty much a paper or proposal covering everything the project or crypto does or looks to do and how it plans to do it. I have also done some research on YouTube, which can be a great resource, but I have definitely found YouTubers I would consider more educated than others in the crypto space. At the end of the day, I would not take financial or life advice from a YouTuber, though, without doing your own research and due diligence. Existing either-or solutions. Either better educate people coming into crypto or let them assume the risk and responsibility to educate themselves. The basis of my research would revolve around stakeholders and research through online articles. I think the stakeholders could be the community, investors. I also think the hackers and scammers could be ironic stakeholders because I'm trying to help lower their success and amount they are able to steal from others. Desired outcomes and positive effects. The positive effects would be that hopefully through my research and dissemination of my paper or blog, potentially would be able to help raise awareness to people about what cryptocurrencies are and how they could impact our lives in the future and how they work. There are exciting new opportunities opening up all the time in the crypto space, and this could help either just educate people or the public in general, but it could also help myself to look for employment opportunities with projects or companies in the future post-graduation, while being able to cite my work as an example of contribution in the space. The value of this project to me post-graduation is twofold. One, it will help educate myself through conducting all the research to compile to help educate others. And two, it will help me to have something tangible to provide to either future employers, or if looking to get onto a future project in crypto or computer science, it could be beneficial to have something physical to show my work. Overall, I'm excited about crypto, the opportunities it could potentially afford, and I'm excited about helping educate people on all the basics with crypto, and also the associated risks, so people can make their own informed decisions and do their own research. Hopefully, I help provide the catalyst to kickstart them into my passion, which is cryptocurrency. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to completing this project in MDS 495.